Hello and welcome to multiplying mixed fractions. So let's show you how to do this particular question. So we've got mixed fractions here, and now we need to turn them into proper fractions if we can do, or mixed fractions in terms of the answer. But let's try and work out first of all how to do this. So first and foremost, what we're going to do is we're going to multiply these two numbers together. And after we've multiplied them and got the answer, then we will add the top number. So 2 times 1 is 2, and add the top number is 3. So that gives us 3 over 2. And the denominator, which is the bottom number, always stays the same. Let's go on to the second one. So let's multiply these two numbers together. Let's multiply these. Once we've done that, then we're going to add the top number. So 5 times 2 is 10. Add the number on top, which is 12. And the bottom number, which is the denominator, will always stay the same. Now all we have to do now is multiply across on the top 3 times 12 and 2 times 5. Before we multiply, we can actually simplify across. So we can't simplify 3 and 5, but we can simplify 12 and 2. So which number divides into 2 and 12? Let's go for 2. So 2 divides into 2 once, and 2 divides into 12 6 times. So let's multiply across now. So 3 times 6 is 18, and 1 times 5 is 5. Now here we've got an improper fraction. So an improper fraction means that it's top heavy. Top heavy means that the top number is too big, and we've got to get out of this particular fraction. So to make it into an answer, we need to convert the improper fraction again into a mixed fraction. So now what we're going to do is we're going to work out how many times 5 divides into 18. So 5 goes into 18 3 times, and 5 times 3 is 15, and that gives us a remainder 3. So 5 goes into 18 3 times, as we know, and the remainder is 3. So the remainder goes on top, and the denominator stays at the bottom. So now we have the new answer, which is 3 over 5. So what we've done is we've multiplied the mixed numbers and we've turned it into an improper fraction. And because it's an improper fraction, we need to turn it into a proper fraction, but to do it, we need to turn it into a mixed number again. Okay, so first of all, we multiplied the mixed fractions. Our second stage was we turned it into an improper fraction. And then our third stage is we're turning into our final answer into a mixed fraction again. Okay, so just use these procedures and work out exactly the same technique when you're going forwards. And good luck in these, and we'll follow these up in our next lesson. Thank you.